I don't take no for an answer. All right, problem 13. The rectangular garden measures 13 by 17, right? And has a cement walkway around its perimeter. So this is the walkway. This is the cement walkway right here. All right? And so the width of the walkway remains constant for all four sides. The garden and the walkway have a combined area of 396. That means this whole area is 396. Okay? So we need to figure out, first, find an equation to figure out the walkway. Okay? Well, we know that it's going to be 396. Whoops. Let's try that again. 396 subtracted by, right, this middle piece, right? So the area of the walkway should be the total 396 minus 13 times 17. Which would be 221. Okay? Now that would be the area of it. We need to figure out an equation for W. Well, how can we find out the area of W? Right? Well, wouldn't that equal these 4 W squares, right? 4 W squares, because length times width. W times W, W squared, W squared, W squared, W squared. So these 4 pieces right? Plus these 2 pieces, which would be 13 times W, right? Plus 13W, right? Plus these 2 pieces, right? Oh, sorry. 13 times W times 2, right? Because there's 2 pieces. Plus the 17 times W times 2. That should equal all of this, right? So now we can kind of collaborate some things. Okay, so now we've got 4W squared, right, plus 26W.
Damn.
Yeah, hold on, I'm recording. 26W plus 34W, right? And 34 and 26 would be 30 and 30, which is 60W. Right? And that would equal this 396 minus 221. Which is 175. So if I moved it to the other side of the equation, minus 175 would equal 0. And so now I have my equation. 4W squared plus 60W minus 175 equals 0. Okay?
Is this going to be online?
Yep.
Because I have to leave.
And next, I'm supposed to actually solve it. I'm supposed to figure it out. Right? So determine the width in meters. Okay? So what I need to do is try to either factor it Or I can just throw it in my quadratic formula. Negative 60 plus or minus the square root of 60 squared minus 4 times 4 times negative 175 all over 2 times 4. Okay? So I've got negative 60 plus or minus, let's see, 60 squared, 60 squared plus 4 times 175
Nolan Satter and Marcus Orford
equals,
to the weight room.
so that would be the square root of 6400 all over 8. So then square root that. Which would be 80. So 60 plus or minus 80 over 8. Okay? So that would be 60 plus 80 would be 140 over 8. And then 60 minus 80 would be minus 20 over 8. It can't be a negative, right? So then it would be 140 over 8. So 140 divided by 8 is 17.5. So W is equal to 17.5.